My name is Ritu Netra. I'm doing my first year MBBS in Government Medical College, Karur. I did my repeaters program in Brainiacs classes. I joined here through a reference with my friend. And today I just like to share about how I prepared during the last year for my entrance. So basically, we have three subjects, as everyone know: bio, physics and chemistry. Biology, most people will be strong in this area, but yet still it is holding nearly 50% of the marks. You should give more attention to it. Just keep NCERT as your basics. Keep on reading it again and again, mark the important points, highlight it and then revise it, and then start doing your MCQs. But basically, more than MCQs, concentrate more on the theory part. And for human physiology, plant physiology and genetics, you can refer some additional notes to make yourself strong with the concepts. Next, other subjects regarding classical biology, then you have the structural organizations in animals. These chapters, you just read the NCERT alone, that will make you more thorough with the concepts. Then you have the chemistry. Chemistry, you just listen to the class, take the notes, do the MCQs. Again, you revise the notes, do the MCQs. That will be more than enough for you regarding physical chemistry. Regarding inorganic and organic, do the NCERT. Read it again and again, and then if you see the MCQs, you will get an idea how questions will be framed. And after that, if you again go to the NCERT, you will get an idea how you should read. While reading itself, you will start framing questions. Okay, this type can be asked from this paragraph. That will make you more and more confident in that topic. Then if you go to physics, this is the part which should be given most attention, but you end up giving the least priority. That should not be done, because physics is the rank decider. Each and every mark will improve your rank tens or hundreds, because everyone end up omitting physics because it is so difficult for them initially. But if you start understanding the concepts and then do the MCQ, you will find it more and more easier. Here there are good faculties for physics, so you just listen to the class, take proper notes. Note taking is everything. For all the three subjects, you should have your handwritten notes, that you have some good connectivity with it, more than your textbook. Your notes and a connection between you and your notes is so personal. So make a point to write everything what you listen or what you read, and then solve more MCQs in physics. Each time you solve every problem, there will be a different method. Formula will be the same, but the method to apply differs. So you just take a paper and you write that for this type of problem you should do this method. So in the end, you just write what chapter from which book you did that sum, and end if you revise that note alone and then you solve it, you'll find it most easier. Then you do the previous year questions of NEET, AIPMT, AIMS, and for physics, chemistry, you will have additionally IIT, JEE, all those exams. Then you have this Amrita, JIPMER. Every previous year exams, make a point to write everything. And then the class test. Make sure that you attend every test and then see the progress. Compare it with others. At the same time, compare it with your previous performance, that where you have gone down. Same unit, you would have written 2 or 3 tests. From the first, the second test mark, if it is improved, you are doing well. But if your marks is going down, then you must check that there might be an area where you should make an improvement. So after every test, you just make down. If the answer is right, it's well and good. But if you have made any mistake, just check where you have made that mistake, make it clear. If you can't do it by yourself, get the help from the faculty. They'll be ready to help you whenever you want. You just clarify it and then rectify the mistake, and then you go to the next chapter. Without completing a chapter, don't rush towards the next. And because of this extended exam, you may find it lethargic to revise, but make sure this 2 months extension has provided a chance to improve your marks much more that many others, they might have not got the chance. Even now, if you feel that you are not up to the mark in some units, you have the time to improve it now. So make use of this time to do that. And then make a plan to revise. You know your strength, you know your weakness. If you're strong in the topic, give it less time, not the least time but less time, because that area is going to fetch you marks, and you know this area I'm weak, or I should show more attention. Give more and more time to it. Don't ignore it that I'll not get it, I don't want it, because in the end that may give you more marks. So plan properly, execute it properly, and do well. All the best. Thank you.